You can see, you know, it was a pretty good job. Alright. I like onion on my grilled cheeses. Honestly, if you must know. You know? And these are fresh onion too. These aren't just, you know, store-bought. Alright. That should be enough onion, you know. I also love adding some pepperoncinis into it. I don't keep the ends, of course. But I like putting them with my onion. I think here for a second. Yeah. Alright, now we make the sandwich. So I'm going to put the bread first. Then I'm going to put a piece of cheese. And I'm going to stack this with onion. Much as I can get on, and the peppers. Like such. And then another piece of cheese. So I'll melt it all together. So it gets all gooey. Like that. It's Eccentric Hobbies 9164, and I'm going to demonstrate my Swiss Army knife here. And use it to eat this here. Yep. So first, I'm going to flip these out. I'm going to pull them apart. And I'm going to pop this in, but I'm going to pop this out. Like such. Alright, so silverware. Oh, I just got one part. By the way, this is a pepperoncini and onion grilled cheese. So, yeah. Anywho, so let's try this out. Here we go. See? They work pretty good. If you're camping, you know what I mean? Like, it's pretty good. There you go. When you're done, you clean them up, click them back together, and you can put them in one of these cases here. Bingo. Yep. Just like that, we're done. Yep. Yep. That was delicious. There you have it. They're cleaned up, shiny. Alright. Now let's put them back together. There that goes. That goes. And that goes. And you can put these guys right here. Take this guy. Put him right there. And then we take this guy here that we used to cut the onion. And that's it. And look at that. If you're camping, perfect. Keep it in your pocket, your shirt pocket, your pack, you know.